Hello students, welcome to the class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today let's start exercise 4D from the chapter fraction. Today we will learn about in this exercise we will learn about the fraction in lowest terms. A fraction is said to be in its lowest term when its numerator and denominator do not have any common factor except 1. Here you can see state whether the fraction in its lowest term or not. As 12 by 20 can be reduced in its lowest term, so this is not in the lowest term. 7 by 8 cannot be reduced. This is in the lowest term. Now 20 by 29 is also in the lowest term. It cannot be reduced further. Now 4 by 6 can be reduced. If it will get divided, then it will become 2 by 3. So if we divide 4 and 6 by 2, with the numerator divide by 2 and the denominator also with the same number, so we will get 2 by 3. So it can reduce. It is not in the lowest term. Like this you have to do. Now number B, encircle the fraction which is in its lowest term. You have to encircle the fraction. Here 1 by 2 is the lowest one. As 5 and 10, if you will divide the numerator 5 by 10, when it gets divided by 5, then 1 by 2. Then here, if divided by 2, then 2 by 1 by 2. Here 2 by 4. So this is 1 by 2 is in its lowest term. Now number C, reduce each of the following fractions to its lowest term. So let's do number 4, 45 by 60. Reduce 45 by 60 into its lowest term. Reduce 45 by 60 to its lowest term. We can divide the numerator and the denominator step by step by their common factors. 45 by 60, when 45 is divided by 3 and 60 divided by 3, we get 15 by 20. Now 15 by 20 when get divided by 5 with the same number in the denominator as well as by the numerator and the denominator, to get 3 by 4. So thus 3 by 4 is in its lowest term. Okay. Alternative way to reduce to its lowest term, can divide both by 5 9s and here 12. Again by 3 and then 4. 3 by 4. This is the easy process. It's up to you which process you like to choose. You can. Now exercise 4E. Fill in the blanks by putting greater or less than sign in each of the following to make the statement true. Now you can see 4 by 15 and 4 by 17. Here the numerator are same but the denominator are not same. So the one whose denominator is less than the denominator of the other number, the one who's having the denominator less than the denominator of the other number is greater than the other number. Whose denominator is less than the denominator of the other number is, the number is greater than the other number. So 4 by 15 is greater than 4 by 17. Now number 6, 10 by 21 and 10 by 13. Here again the numerator are same but the denominator are not same. So 10 by 13 is greater than 10 by 21 because the denominator is less than the denominator of the other number. 13 is less than 21. So 10 by 13 is greater than 10 by 21. the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater than the other, and the fraction with greater numerator is greater than the other. So here 3 by 20 and 7 by 20. So 7 by 20 is greater than 3 by 20 because the numerator with a greater number, greater digit is greater than the other. The fraction with the greater numerator is greater than the other, and the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater than the other. As 22 and 19 is the denominator are different and the numerator are same. So here 15 by 19 is greater than 15 by 22 because 19 is because 19 is less than 22. So the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater than the other. Now, which is greater in each of the following pairs of fraction? Which is the greater in each pair of fraction? Number 1, 5 by 7 and 3 by 5. 5 by 7, first multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5, so that to get the equal denominator. If we multiply 5 by 5 into 5 and 7 by 7 into 5, so we'll get 25 by 35. In the same way, 3 by 5 is there. If we multiply 3 into 7 and 5 into 7, the numerator and the denominator by 7, so we'll get 15 by 35. So now the denominator are same. So we have to multiply with the number so that the denominator will become equal. Clearly 25 by 35 is greater than 15 by 35 because the fraction with the greater numerator is greater than the other. Hence 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 5. So in the same way, number C is also, which is smaller in each of the following pairs of fraction. In the same way. Now number D, fill in the blanks by putting greater, less than or equal to in each of the following to make a statement true. Now here, number 2, 6 by 11 and 6 by 13. Here, the numerator are same but the denominator are not same, not equal to each other. So, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater than the other number. So 6 by 11 is greater than 6 by 13. Here number 4, 11 by 12 and 5 by 12. Here the fraction with greater numerator is greater than the other. So 11 by 12 is greater than 5 by 12. Now number 8, 4 by 15 and 12 by 45. So first reduce 12 by 45 in its lowest term. So divide 12 by 45 by 3. Divide by 3. You will get 4 and 15. If you divide by 3, like 12 divided by 3, and the numerator and the denominator both divided by 3. So we'll get 4 and 4 by 15. So this is equals to 4 by 15 is equals to 4 by 15. So 4 by 15 is equals to 12 by 45. Now fill in the blanks. Try to calculate only in the mind. This is addition and subtraction of fractions with unlike denominators. To calculate in the mind, 2 minus 1 and 1 by 2. So first convert the mixed one into the improper fraction. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 2 minus 3 by 2. So the LCM will be 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 2. Simple. Now number B. Add. Here you can see add 10. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. So first multiply with the numerator as well as the denominator, so that you will get the equal denominator in 3 of the number, to get 12 in each of the number. 1 by 3 into 4 by 4, 4 by 12, 1 by 6 into 2 by 2, 2 by 12, and 1 by 12 into 1, 1 by 12. So now take LCM 12, then here 3 and 12 are 4, then 4 plus 6 and 12, so 2, then plus 1. So first 3 and 12, 4, 6 and 12, 2. When 3 get divided by 12, get 4. When 6 divided by 12, 2, and 12 by 12, 1. So now 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 by 12. Now number 19. The number is in mixed fraction, so convert into the improper fraction first. 31 by 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 4, 31. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Now take the LCM 9, 9, 9, 1. So 31 plus, then 9, 3 divided by 9. 3, 7 3s are 21. 31 plus 21 is 52 by 9. Again convert it into the mixed fraction. Here I am showing you how to convert. 9 5s are 45. Now 12 minus 5, 7. Okay, carry 1. So 12 minus 5, 7, and 4 is there. 4, 4, cut nothing, 7. So you will write like this. The remainder will be here and the quotient here. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 7 is 50. Here 21, the number 21. The numbers are in the mixed fraction. Convert into the improper fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. 10 1s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 10. So I am showing you how to do the numbers into the prime factorization. The 3 numbers into the prime factorization method. Suppose 3, 5 and 10 is the number. First take the number 2, the lowest number. 3 won't get divided, 5 won't get, now 2. 10, 5s are 5 2s are 10. Now 3. It's time for 3. 5. As 5 not come in 3 tables, so we'll write 5 again. And 3 into 1 is 3, so 1. Like 3. Again we'll bring 3 here, then 5. Then again 5 and 5. So 2 into 5, 10. As 3 and 5 not come in table of 2. Now 3 in the table of 3, 3 1s are 3. Now 5 doesn't come in the table of 3, so 5 and 5 will remain here. Now 5, it's time for 5. Then 1, 1 and 1. So the numbers will be 2, 3 and 5. So now again multiply 3 into 2, 6, 6 5s are 30. So the LCM will be 30. Here 30. So now 30. 3 get divided by 30. So 10. 10 into 7 is 70. Plus 6 5s are 30. So here is 5. So 6. 6 into 21 is 126. Now 10 divided by 30. 3. 3 into 13 is 39. So add 70 plus 126 plus 39 is 235 by 30. Now 235 by 30 will get divided by the 5 in the numerator as well as denominator by the same number. So 47 by 6. So convert the improper into mixed fraction. So here 7, 5 by 6. Now subtract 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5, 10 as LCM. You can take as 10, 5. So first 2, 1, then 5, 1 and 1. 5 to the 10. In 5 times 10 come the table of 2. And now 5, 5 ones are 5 and 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and 10. Because 10 and 10 1. So 3 minus, then 10, 5, 2. 5 into 2, 10. So 2 into 1, 2. 1 by 10 is the answer. Find the difference of 1, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So first convert this into the improper fraction. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Then take the LCM. 4, 1, 4, 4, 1, 5 minus again 1, 3 into 1, 3. So 2 by 4. Now divide this. 2 ones are 2 and 2. But that's all for today. We'll continue the same chapter in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe.